Hello everyone, welcome back. I will show you how I make this short clip. Just stay here with me and let's go there. Okay, for us to continue, we need to use our Capcut by clicking on the new project to add the project. This is the project we want. Yeah, the preview is here. You click add. So right here now we are here in the cut cap. So this is the video we want to use. Let's play it and see how it is. You can see the thing. We have where I walk outside and I have an empty space while videoing it. So now what we'll do is to break out the empty space after where we walk out of the environment. So by highlighting the clip and split, you can see we have two clips here, the one with the image and the one without image. So what we'll do here now is to select this one to have the image and look for overlay. Look for overlay and click on it. It automatically brings the image down while the empty space is up. So the next thing to do here now is to touch on the empty space and reduce the speed. Click on speed, touch normal, then reduce the speed to 0.2, and we accept it. You can notice that the background now increase so much. Okay, so what we need to do is to break out the background to end where our video ends too. So we break the background from here and delete, split and delete. So this is what we have now. So the next thing to do here now is to apply the effect. Highlight the one with the image, okay, and click on this icon here. Okay, so and the next thing, click on the item, then you click on slice. You click on slide. This is the slice section. You can move your image from where you want it to start sliding. You want it from here, we move the slice backward by reducing this. Okay, we'll leave that one there. We'll move a little again, you reduce it again, reduce the slide. You keep reducing the slide till the end. Okay, we move again. You can finish the disappearing from here if you want, or you can elongate it more, or you reduce it more, whichever. We'll reduce it again, then we'll take a little bit and we'll finish it. Okay, I take the slide to the end and I accept the command. Okay, now let's see what happened here. Let's see from beginning. This is the image. You can see how it worked to the end. The whole thing vanished. Alright, you can see how simple it is to apply this effect. So this effect we apply today is known as slice. So we slice the video to make the image to vanish to the end. Please, if you like what we show you just now, please do well to subscribe with us and comment and like. Please also share it for us so that we'll get recommendations from YouTube. Thank you for watching this day. See you another time. Bye.